Ready to unlock the power of decentralized finance by moving your crypto from Bybit to your Web3 wallet? First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets tab, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Withdraw to initiate the transfer process. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from the drop-down menu, and carefully paste your Web3 wallet address into the recipient address field. Double-check that the address is correct. Select the appropriate network that is compatible with both Bybit and your WB3 wallet. Using the wrong network can result in loss of funds, so be extra careful here. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal amounts and network fees. Review all the details one last time and click Confirm. You'll likely need to complete a security verification step, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. And that's it. Your cryptocurrency should now be on its way to your Web3 wallet, giving you access to the exciting world of DeFi.